What's up, everyone? Nick here from bundleIQ, Alani AI. I came across a tweet from Robert Scoble the other day, and he says basically there's an 8.5 hour long podcast from Lex Friedman. It's a conversation with Elon Musk about Neuralink and the team. Super long podcast, and Robert's trying to see what tools can transcribe it and then summarize the podcast. There's a ton of replies here, and I'm gonna basically do my best to try to summarize all these replies into a digestible understanding of why this is a challenge and why Alani AI is the tool to solve this problem. So that being said, what I did is I clicked on the Lex Friedman podcast. I created a bundle called Lex Friedman Podcast, and I uploaded the file by just clicking this over here, this YouTube icon. You can drop the link in, click upload video. It's an 8 hour long video, so it takes probably, I don't know, 6 minutes or so to upload. And then you can see this is the native view of this YouTube video. It's 8 hours and 37 minutes. And then if you want to use Alani to summarize this video, you just click chat with video. And so we'll do that now, do a live demonstration. So you can see here chatting with Elon Musk, Neuralink, and the Future of Humanity podcast in research mode. You want to keep it in research mode because what that's going to do is go into the data and extract insights. So we'll keep it in research mode versus writing mode. We'll keep GPT-4o as the LLM. And then what we'll say is, I mean, we could say summarize this video, but let's maybe be a little bit more specific. So we could say summarize this video and offer key takeaways from Elon Musk and the Neuralink team. Cool. Press enter. And then we're going to see if Alani can do this on an 8.5 hour, 8 hour and 37 minute video. It's going to take a couple seconds to respond. Boom. All right, here we go. So summary of the video, key takeaways, historic milestone, technical achievements, multitasking capabilities, team dynamics, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can go into the data set here. If I click on one of these, it's actually going to take me to the section in the video. And you can see how a tool like this would just totally expedite your ability to make sense of a massive data set here. The reason why we're able to do this is because we have an incredibly robust neural search engine. So think of it as like a context engine that takes in all of the, I think, 72,000 words or so that are in this video, and automatically chunk up that data and provide contextually sound takeaways and insights. So you can see what that looks like here. And we can keep kind of drilling down if we want to. So we can say, expand on that. And then it's going to give me, additional context. So you can see how this would be super, super useful. And then if I switch over to writing mode, what I'm going to do is take this context window of the thread and use that to create new content. So I'll say write detailed overview of the podcast. In just a second, we'll get a detailed overview of the podcast that's specifically looking at the thread as the context window. So it's not actually going back into the video to pull out additional information. In a second, we'll get this, and then you can share it on Twitter. I'll probably respond to Robert right after this video. All right, that's that's that. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll drop this video in the blog post that I'll create here in a second. Cheers.